Ever found yourself wondering how to take your YouTube content to the next level? Ponder no more. Today, we're delving into the world of Chatgpt, an artificial intelligence tool that can revolutionize your content creation process. First, let's get acquainted with Chatgpt. Think of it as your AI companion, here to help you brainstorm video ideas and script your next masterpiece. By engaging with Chatgpt, you can generate fresh concepts and script drafts, all perfectly aligned with your YouTube content strategy. Next, we move into the ideation and script refinement phase. This is where Chatgpt really shines. It's like having an endless brainstorming session at your fingertips. Use its suggestions as prompts to refine your scripts and shape your video concepts. Step 3 is all about elevating your SEO and visibility strategies. Here, you can integrate Chatgpt's insights to optimize your video's discoverability on YouTube. Use its suggestions for compelling titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your search rankings and attract a wider audience. Step 4 involves cultivating audience engagement. Utilize Chatgpt's assistance to engage with your viewers effectively. Craft authentic, personalized responses to comments, fostering a sense of community and connection among your audience. Finally, Step 5 focuses on creative collaboration with Chatgpt. Here, you can blend Chatgpt's generated ideas with your own creative flair. By merging its suggestions with your unique style, you can ensure your videos are both original and captivating. Integrating Chatgpt in your video planning can spark content ideas that resonate with your audience. It can also refine your scripts, ensuring your video communicates effectively. Enhance your video's visibility by incorporating Chatgpt's insights into your SEO strategies. Engage with your audience authentically using Chatgpt-generated responses to comments. And lastly, infuse creativity into your content by combining Chatgpt's suggestions with your unique creative flair. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on harnessing the power of Chatgpt for YouTube success. If you found this valuable, be sure to hit that like button and share it with fellow creators. Any questions? Don't hesitate to drop them in the comments and I'll be there to assist. As always, thank you for tuning in. Remember, integrating Chatgpt into your YouTube journey can be a game changer. So keep exploring, keep creating, and watch your channel soar with Chatgpt as your creative ally.